Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about OnPay, which is the best OnPay integrations. If you're running a small to mid-sized business and using OnPay for payroll, you know it's a great system. But to truly streamline your operations, you need it talking to your other key software. I've spent time figuring out which connections actually save the most time and effort, and I want to share my top 3 with you. 1. Accounting software, QuickBooks Online and Xero. For me, the integration with my accounting software is non-negotiable. I personally use QuickBooks Online, but the Xero integration is just as powerful. Before I set this up, I was manually keying in payroll data, department expenses, taxes, gross pay into my general ledger. It was time-consuming and, honestly, a magnet for errors. Now, with the OnPay integration, after every payroll run, the data automatically syncs. It sends a journal entry right into my accounting platform. I can customize how the details are mapped, which is critical for accurate expense tracking. This one integration alone saves my bookkeeper and me several hours a month and keeps our financial records clean and audit ready. 2. Time and attendance. QuickBooks Time and Deputy. Payroll is only as accurate as the hours you track. I usually rely on spreadsheets and scattered punch clocks. It was a headache reconciling time cards with the payroll system. The fix? Integrating with a dedicated time tracking tool. I recommend looking at QuickBooks Time or Deputy. I use QuickBooks Time. The integration works by pulling the approved employee hours directly from the time tracker into OnPay. It eliminates manual entry and drastically reduces disputes over paychecks. My process went from a multi-step verification to a quick review and click. If your team is hourly or you track time off, this is a must. 3. Retirement benefits. The 401k providers. The last integration that truly improved my life as a business owner is with the 401k providers, specifically ones like Guideline or Employee Fiduciary. Handling retirement contributions and compliance used to be a heavy administrative burden. With OnPay's direct integration, once an employee enrolls in a 401k plan, the deduction amounts are automatically calculated during payroll. OnPay then sends a contribution data straight to the retirement provider. I don't have to manually submit contribution files or worry about compliance checks. It ensures that my employees' investments are funded on time, and it keeps my company compliant without any extra work on my end. This peace of mind is invaluable. In summary, focusing on these 3 areas, your accounting software, time tracking, and benefits will transform how efficiently you manage your team and your finances using OnPay. It's about letting the software do the heavy lifting so you can focus on growing your business. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.